Most marketing and communication teams already have more data than they know what to do with. What they often lack is communication that helps people, their audiences, make sense of it. And I think this is one of the reasons why so many personalization efforts still fall short right now, especially with AI personalization becoming more accessible. Think about it just for a moment, because generating personalized content like personalized video is not the same as helping someone understand why something matters in their particular situation or context. A lot of campaigns today are built around the idea of just impressing someone, showing them their data. And yes, that can work for 1 or 2 days, but that's just like a quick wow moment. The campaigns that tend to work best usually do something much simpler. They reduce interpretation. They help people quickly understand 2 things. Number 1, why does this matter to me now? Number 2, what should I do next? And here's an example. Recently, I was reviewing a personalized employee communication powered by our platform with video content. And in their case, the campaign goal wasn't to impress employees with technology, with interactive personalized video. It was simply to help them understand the value they were already receiving from their employer, from the company. And that small shift completely changed how people engaged with the message. I shared the full breakdown and what made the campaign work in the article in the comments if you want to explore further. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help. You take care.